Whether we like it or not, our jewelry is going to get scratched at some point. You can take every step possible to protect it, but if you wear it, there's always a chance. The good news is, it's not the end of the world. I'm James, your virtual jewelry expert, and I'm going to give you my expert tips on what to do if your jewelry gets scratched. Go give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Now here's your precious gem. You value your jewelry box, but even if you're careful, scratches can happen. If your jewelry gets scratched, here's a concise guide to help you manage the situation effectively. Examine the scratched area closely under good lighting. Determine if the scratches are superficial or deeper, as this will influence your repair approach. Begin by cleaning the piece to remove dirt and oils. Use a soft lint-free cloth or soak it in warm soapy water and gently scrub with a soft brush. Rinse and dry thoroughly before proceeding with repairs. First, let's consider some DIY options. For light scratches, use a jewelry polishing cloth to buff the area in circular motions, applying gentle pressure. If scratches are deeper, apply a small amount of metal polish to a soft cloth. Gently rub it into the scratches following product instructions. Mix baking soda with water to create a paste. Apply it to the scratches with a soft cloth. Rub gently, rinse, and dry. If deeper scratches remain, the piece is valuable, or you're just not confident enough to do it yourself, consult our professional jewelers in store who can help you figure out the necessary steps to restore your jewelry safely. Store jewelry separately in soft pouches or a lined box to avoid friction. Be mindful of when you wear your pieces, removing them during activities that may cause damage. Regularly schedule maintenance with a jeweler to keep your jewelry in top condition. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your scratches and maintain the beauty of your jewelry for years to come. I hope this precious gem has made you more jewelry wise. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. We'd love to hear what you think, so drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Jewelry Wise for more fun facts, tips, and the latest in jewelry trends.